Hi, welcome. Question on the forum gave an idea for me. I'm working on this plasma system, and the forum, there's a solution or a way to time how long scripts run. But as you can see here, we have also something similar already in Linux. And the function I've used here is called time. All you need to do is type in front of any script you want to run and want to time is the word time. Time and then your script. And I've used it on a, well, I think it was i3, Arco i3. I've built an ISO, and in the end it says it takes 6 minutes, 44 seconds, and I guess 50 seconds to build it. So go and have a look in your commands. I have typed man time in man time, because we can't keep track of all these options and all that, but I haven't used any of the options. But what you could do is ask for the elapsed real time in hours, minutes and seconds. Looks a bit more human readable, and you need to have this -F for the formatting for it. But like I said, it just works visual enough for me. After 6 minutes and 44 seconds, it just works. So if you want to time something, just type the word time in front of it. All right, enjoy.